National Squirrel Appreciation Day on January 21st is a day to learn about and celebrate the world's cutest rodents. There are over 200 squirrel species in the world. National Squirrel Appreciation Day was created in 2001 in Asheville, North Carolina. It is a day to honor this animal that some consider a pest and others consider a cute and charming animal. The purpose of the day is to encourage people to adopt a friendly attitude towards our bush-tailed neighbors by setting out food and water for the squirrels and even allowing them to play with bird feeders that we don't normally want them to touch. The day's creators believe that the celebration itself can be decided by individuals or groups, from putting out extra food for the squirrels to learning new things about the species. We may often see squirrels as an unnecessary nuisance, but their presence is actually beneficial to the environment and in urban areas, contributes to the beautification of parks. Despite being an accident, squirrels play a role in planting seeds that eventually grow into trees and thus contribute to forest regeneration. They are nature's gardeners. This day is a fun excuse to have some activities, share the fun with our friends, and show our love for squirrels. Today, squirrels are considered by many to be beautiful creatures, and we certainly have the potential to discover amazing facts about their cuteness. To survive the winter, squirrels bury nuts as a source of food for later. Squirrels often run in a zigzag pattern, which usually means they are worried about being chased by predators. This clever little trick helps them stay alive and avoid being caught by birds, foxes, cats, badgers, and other predators. In the 1870s, a number of large parks were established in many large cities to provide a peaceful habitat for squirrels to live and grow. In order to get squirrels in the middle of urban areas, we need to change the landscape by planting trees and building parks. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great National Squirrel Appreciation Day. Cheers!